Let's face it, we can't survive without colouring our hair and using styling products, but we all know the end result is usually damaged hair. If growing shiny, healthy hair is top of your list, then you have to use something that makes your hair stronger and healthier from the inside out. Hence why I'm always looking for products that repair and nourish my damaged hair and make it strong again. On my journey for healthy hair, I got to use this little gem called Herbishh Argan Oil, and trust me, this product is my go-to. It smells wonderful and it holistically takes care of my hair. If you don't already know how powerful argan oil is, let me fill you in. It penetrates hair shafts 10 layers deep. It repairs them and seals in moisture to make your hair strong and healthy again. That's why Herbishh Argan Oil is so special. I've seen a huge difference. No frizz, no dull, lackluster hair with Herbishh Argan Oil. I've been using this product religiously and the result is strong hair with less breakage. Obviously, you can't just use it once in a while and expect some sort of miracle. But I like to use this product very creatively. You can use it in many ways. So for instance, for nourishment, apply before shampooing. Squeeze about 2 to 3 drops onto your dry hair, gently massage it in and shampoo after 5 to 10 minutes. For hair protection, squeeze 2 to 3 drops on the hair shafts before blow drying. And lastly, for repair. So when your hair is around 80 to 90% dry, squeeze 2 to 3 drops on the tips and shafts and it will give you a finished look with no frizz. Even my hairdresser was amazed to see my hair looking so healthy. He literally couldn't stop asking me what I've been using. I highly recommend Herbishh Argan Oil for those who are on the lookout for a genuine result-oriented hair health product.